Hey everybody, welcome back to the Flannel Phillip channel. A lot of you know that my boss's dad is a Model T guy, and he and his buddies came up with a really ingenious way of painting Model T wheels after they were just rebuilt. So brand new wood, they're priming and painting these things. It's a great idea, you're gonna like it. Stick around. I came in here and these guys are set up with a contraption to be able to prime and paint Model T wheels. So
It's an old axle. We got the wheel attached to an old Model T axle, and we got a what do you call that thing?
rotisserie?
Rotisserie.
Yeah.
Rotisserie's hooked up to it. Turn them.
Just slowly rotates the wheels.
So you can see all sides of it.
Yeah. And prevents runs. That's kind of the idea.
Kind of what? Yeah. Painted.
Yeah.
It'd be nice to leave them wood colored, but they were painted all black. So.
Right. And these you were telling me they were just brand new.
Yeah, they're rebuilt by Noah Stutzman in Ohio. He's an Amish guy that does all different kinds of wood wheels.
Yeah. Fantastic. So just a slowly rotating electric motor and a belt. Link them together and I love it. That's really smart. You guys are able to just take these contraptions and screw them right down to the plywood, stretch the belt tight.
Where you got your mask now?
Probably will later on. Okay. After I get done. I should put the mask on.
Looks great. Well, hey, if you stuck around to the end of the video, thank you. Hopefully that's the kind of content you find interesting. It's what's happening in our shop right now. So, to everybody that's been supporting the channel lately too, I appreciate that. Thank you so much. Peace and grease, everybody.